जॉब ले लो, जॉब दे दो. Hello dear students and my friends. I am your JP Chaudhary and welcome you back to my English class. Dear students, in the last class, in the first part of this video, I have made discussion how to draft good advertisement. How to draft advertisement, especially classified advertisement, skillfully. And I have told you all the rules governing the drafting of advertisement. And I had also shown you how to draft advertisement, especially classified word advertisement related to the sale of automobiles. And in this video, I am going to discuss in a very simple way how to draft classified word advertisement for situation vacant and situation wanted column. Dear friends, it appears to be difficult when you are drafting, then you easily get confused what to write, how many information to supply in the advertisement. That is your confusion. But I am going to tell you how just by supplying only 5 information, your situation vacant and situation wanted column is complete. So let me begin without wasting time. Dear friends, first of all, let us see situation vacant, situation wanted. What is situation vacant, situation wanted? Situation vacant means there is a vacancy. I am employer and I want to employ you. I want some hands. That is vacancy. Means I want some people to work for me, work in my office. So there is vacancy. And suppose you are searching for a job yourself, then how do you secure unemployment? The easiest way is to give advertisement of yourself because you are a job seeker. And so you can get a job. You can draft an advertisement for yourself that is wanted. It is here most of the students get confused. I can claim it. I have seen for years, and so I am going to remove your confusion. Okay, so first of all, let us see situation vacant. What is situation vacant? I have told you I want to employ someone as an engineer. I have taken here in both the columns, in situation vacant and in situation wanted, 2 engineers. One is in search of a job and one is a company which requires an engineer to work for the company. So let me begin. Dear friends, I have made promise that only 5 information you have to supply in the advertisement and your advertisement is complete. So let me begin. So first of all, you have to mention who are you when you are drafting advertisement for the situation vacant column. You have to make it clear who are you and what do you want. What do you want? So let us see. Here the company is Ivory Software Solutions and it requires what? Software engineer. Dear students, one information is complete. Who requires what? We have given answer. Now let us go to the second information. Only 5 information will be there. Second is candidate should be BE in computer software with at least 2 years experience of Java programming in a reputed company. My dear students, you have already answered second question and you have supplied second information. What should be the qualification? It is very clear here. The candidate should be BE. This is the qualification that is required by the Ivory Software Solution. And how much experience is required? 2 years, maybe 3 years, maybe 5 years. Accordingly, you can just replace this information. So, second part is complete. Candidate should be how? Just you have to give detail. Any other qualifications are required there. You can also make mention of them there only. Okay. Now let us come to the third part. You are working, you are going to work for someone. Will you work without pay? No, it is never possible. So you want some pay, and company has to make it clear. And company has made it clear what here? कि सैलरी एंड पर्क्स नो कांस्टेंट सैलरी, और उसके बाद ढेर सारे अलाउंसेज भी होता है. अच्छा काम करेंगे तो अच्छे अलाउंस मिलेंगे, ढेर सारे अलाउंसेज मिलेगा. तो ये आपको मेंशन करना है. और कंपनी ने क्या किया है? कंपनी हैज मेंशन हियर कि इफ समवन इज द राइट पर्सन, कंपनी इज एबल टू पे द सैलरी डिमांडेड बाय द पर्सन. मीन्स हियर सैलरी इज in consonance, salary will be in consonance with the qualification and experience of the candidate. You have, so company has not disclosed actual payment. Okay, third information you have already given. Now what? Mode of applying. Mode of applying. How do you apply? It has also been made clear by the company. The mode of application is what? Apply within 10 days. 10 days के अंदर में आप लोग को अप्लाई करना है with a detailed resume. Dear students, don't confuse. You have heard biodata, but what resume? Dear students, it is also the same thing, but it is not the same thing. Because whenever you are drafting resume, you have to give your previous experience, previous achievement, but that doesn't happen in biodata. Okay, so you have to apply with your resume within how many days? So only 10 days time you have been given. Dear students, fourth information is complete. This is the fourth information you have already given. And now fifth information you have to mention or not, where they would apply, where the candidate willing to work for you will apply. You have to mention and you have to give out your address. And this is the fifth information. Dear students, I have shown you this advertisement is complete because you have to write within 50 words only. But don't forget to make this box, dual box, otherwise you are going to lose how many marks? Half marks. So dear student, you have written 5 information and your advertisement is complete. Situation vacant is complete. Your vacancy is complete. Now let me come to other advertisement, situation wanted. Now what happens? The table has been turned. Now table is turned. What? Now I want a job. I am an engineer and I am in search of a job. So dear students, even here you have to mention only 5 information. Nothing more, nothing less. Let me see. Who wants what? Again you have to answer the same thing. Who wants what? A civil engineer. This person is a civil engineer already working in a leading multinational company. He is not sitting idle. He is working multinational company. Oh my God, in Dubai. Looking for a suitable job in India in a construction company. Dear students, this person is already working in a multinational company and now he wants a suitable job in any construction company in India. This is civil engineer needs this. Okay, now you have to make clear your qualification, experience like the previous one. In the situation vacant column you have mentioned. So just this person is telling what? Recently returned from UAE. Just now he has come from UAE. And now a first class graduate in civil engineering. Dear students, already he has given information about himself, about his qualification. Qualification means what? He is a first class graduate in civil engineering from DC, Delhi College of Engineering, Delhi. Dear students, experience 4 years. Now this information you have seen here. Now fourth information is what salary, how much this person requires 1 lakh per month. He will not, any salary below that is not acceptable to him. So see him now at the end, just like the first one, situation vacant column, you have to give your address and contact number so that any company willing to have an engineer to work for their construction company will make a call or write to him. 5 information you have seen. In both side I have mentioned 5 information, and in some advertisement you may have to mention age, sex, but as per the relevancy, as per the job requirement, you can also mention that. Now is it simple or not? My dear students, please tell me in the comment section whether what do you think about this advertisement, and simultaneously I request you just to subscribe my channel and like, share and make comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.